be sure ang hall ng Mami Rizal. So, picture taking ko.
Happy 18th birthday. Itong gift ko, siguro magagamit mo ito gabi-gabi. Happy 18th birthday again.
Wow, thank you so much, ma'am.
Hi Ariana, happy birthday and may you have many more birthday to come. Ariana, ito magagamit mo ito araw-araw sa school. Gamitin mo ito para lalo kang gumanda. Happy birthday again and God bless you.
What a wonderful message. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Marisa.
Yung regalo ko sa'yo ay magagamit mo for school, tapos pangkain. Happy birthday!
Well, thank you so much.
Happy 18th birthday. I hope this gift reminds you to always carry confidence, dreams, and happiness.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello, congrats for turning 18. The age where you think you have it all figured out until adulting hits. My gift is something you can take wherever you go. It's loyal, dependable, and always ready to hold whatever keeps you going. And of course, I made sure to get it in your favorite color. Again, happy birthday!
Ang ganda naman.
Happy birthday, Ari. So, sana yung gift ko mag-remind sa'yo na always take rest and be proud na ngayon na sabi mo nga, stress ka na sa UV life mo. So, sana yung gift na yan is parang, ayun nga, makapag-rest ka tapos maalala mo rin ako pag ginagamit mo yan. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much for that fair.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate. Yung gift ko sa'yo, you can use that kapag nagre-rest ka or traveling. Thank you.
Thank you so
Happy birthday. Pinabot lang ni Jaja sa akin yan kasi bawal siya. Umulan kasi. Tapos, magagamit mo yung regalo ni Jaja kapag nakatulog ka na dahil sa pagod mo. Happy birthday.
And we have also the Wacky Pose. Wacky Pose. Wow, thank you so much. Our announcement lamang po sa ating mga indikados. Ibibigay po namin ang mga kandila, pero mamaya pa po sindihan. Sabay-sabay po i-blow po ni Ms. Ariana para sa ganun maisabay din po ang kanyang cake later on. So, alright. So, okay. So, magkakataon pala ito.